Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to set up the development environment for React Native, and for this I am here in the official documentation of React Native, and from here I have just clicked the setting up environment, from which if you are new to mobile development, then it is one of the easiest way to get started is with the Expo Go. So it is a tool that is built around the React Native, and it provides many features for us. Right now I'm going to tell you how we're gonna set up the environment for this. We have two options, Expogo Quick Start and React Native CLI Quick Start. But for us, if you are new to the React Native platform, then you have to go with this Expogo Quick Start and click on it, and you have to run the following command for creating the React Native project, which is named as Awesome Project. But for this, before starting the to create the new React Native project, you have to make sure that you have installed Node.js in your uh, system, which is a cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment, and make sure to download for Windows latest current latest features. Download from this link, and then you have to uh, install one another thing. In order to run your apps, you have to install Expogo app in your Google, from Google Play Store to in your mobile. Okay. In order to run the Android and run your projects on your own device faster, and share these across your whole team using this Expogo app. So first of all, we have to create the new project. For this we have two options, which is yarn and npm. I'm going to it's your choice whether you use yarn or npm commands, but I'm going to install this npm, and I'm going to use this as to create this project. First of all, I have to make sure that I am having the current version of Node.js. For this I'm using the cmd terminal, and then I have to make sure that whether I have the version installed. Yes, I have version 18.15 installed already in my system. Now, for this, we have two ways, whether we use the Android Studio and or we use VS Code. But Android Studio is heavy, and it requires little bit more, memory and RAM. So I recommend you to start using VS Code, this one. And then let me create a project. For this, I have to open the folder which I have already created, React Native app, in my local disk. And then make sure that you have this JSON file and log file already, like install and already installed in your this folder must be present in here. And this is the one I already made project. So let me open this with code, VS Code, and then I will create a new project here. Let me close this one. Okay, see, this is the test one is already made here. Okay, yes, I trust the authors. And from here, there is a terminal. Okay, from here, terminal. Now we have to run these commands: npx create expo app awesome project. This one, this is the name of project, and this is to create the project. We use the command, and I'm going to simply paste this, and then I'm going to run this. It will take some time because it is going to create and locating project file. See, uh, for this, let me install the Expogo app in my mobile and show it to you guys. Okay. Okay, here I have opened my mobile, and then see, this is the Expogo app I have already installed. So this will help us to run the projects. We can easily see the projects, like I have already made sample to stock market headers and this. So these are the all projects I have worked on. But if you haven't worked and you are new to that, then this will be clear. Okay, and you have to use the scan QR code, this one, to get started with this Expo Go app. Okay, for this, let me see that. Yes, it's npm install. Yes, it will take some time, 5 or 2 minutes, to load all the files and make the directory for awesome project. See, this is our project, and it has all the structure assets and app.json file and app.js. This is the main our project file, and we can make changes over here, like this is the background color, and this is the text component, view styling, and all the stuff is there present. And to make it more visible, I will also change the background color for this. First of all, it let it be finished. See, now it is saying that your project is ready, and then I have to change the directory and then run Android or npm run iOS or run web. So I have to change the directory to awesome project. Okay, let me change the directory. React Native Awesome Project change directory to Awesome Project. Okay. Now the next thing is that I need is Expo Go npx expo start. I think so. This is the next command. Yeah, npx expo start. Okay, let me check. So it's going to start the project. Starting Metro Builder. So this is going to show you a QR code from which I'm going to scan this using my Expo Go app. Uh, this is my Expo Go app, and then I'm going to click on this scan QR code, this one, and then I'm going to scan this QR code from here. So it's going to open my project. This is the project. It's loading the project from here. So it's building, and after building, then it will gonna show the project. I also like to make the changes from here. Like if I'm gonna give this background color to yellow to make it more visible, because it's just white here. Okay, so it's loading. Let me give. Now it's open. Here, see, open up the JS to start working. Now this is the first app. Um, Let me give it a yellow color, and if when I click save it, see, then the background color is changed to yellow. So this is the first tutorial to set up the environment and start using React Native. Hope you like my tutorial. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.